Cleaning your home every day is exhausting, but what if a smart robot could do everything automatically? Meet the Dreame X50, one of the most advanced robot vacuum and mop systems available today. You can check the product link in the description to see the latest price and offers. With ultra-powerful suction up to 20,000 pascals, it removes dirt, dust, and debris effortlessly. It vacuums and mops at the same time, saving time while delivering deeper floor cleaning. Advanced smart mapping scans your home and creates precise cleaning routes automatically. AI obstacle detection helps it avoid cables, toys, and furniture without getting stuck. Its retractable sensor allows it to clean under low furniture with ease. The anti-tangle dual brush design keeps hair from wrapping, perfect for homes with pets. Extendable side brushes reach edges and corners that normal vacuums miss. Smart carpet detection automatically boosts suction power for deeper carpet cleaning. Automatic mop lifting keeps carpets dry while cleaning mixed floor types. A large battery provides up to 220 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. When the battery gets low, it returns to the dock, recharges, and resumes cleaning automatically. The all-in-one docking station automatically empties dust so you don't have to. It even washes the mop pads automatically for hygienic cleaning every time. Hot air drying keeps the mop fresh and odor-free after each cleaning cycle. The dock refills the water tank automatically, allowing fully hands-free operation. It can clean large homes in a single run thanks to its long runtime and smart navigation. Use the mobile app to schedule cleanings, set zones, or control cleaning remotely. You can even start cleaning using voice commands with smart assistants. Quiet cleaning mode keeps noise low while maintaining powerful performance. Its advanced wheel system climbs door thresholds and small obstacles easily. Perfect for pet owners, it removes hair efficiently without clogging. Smart dirt detection focuses extra cleaning power on heavily soiled areas. The sleek modern design blends perfectly with any smart home setup. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your day. Check the product link in the description to see full specs, reviews, and current discounts. From automatic cleaning to self-maintenance, this robot handles everything for you. Upgrade your home cleaning today with the Dreame X50 Smart Robot Vacuum. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smarter, cleaner home. Tell us in the comments, would you let a robot clean your entire house?